Another year is here. We are at America's largest RV show here at the Giant Center in Hershey, Pennsylvania. Here for Industry Day, we're going to go in here and check out some of the units before the public comes in, and it opens to the public tomorrow, Wednesday through Sunday. Come out here, check out all the RVs. There's more units in one spot here than you're going to find anywhere at any show in this country. So come along. I'm going to check this out for you. Alright, one of the things you want to make sure that you're doing is go online and get registered, because this camper behind me, this Cortez camper, is the one they're giving away this year. Last year was a pop-up. This year it's one of these, and these things are amazing. 2 pieces, top and bottom, airtight, waterproof. You're not going to get any leaks in these things, so you've got to get registered for this. So we're checking in here at the information booth at the Hershey RV show, where you want to come here every day and do the scavenger hunt. You get a full-size candy bar. We're not talking one of those little things. We're talking a full-size candy bar, and you get registered to win prizes every day that you turn these in up here. So we were just finding out that there are just shy of 1,500 units here. That's RVs outside that you can go through here at America's largest RV show here in Hershey, Pennsylvania at the Giant Center. Come on out Wednesday through Sunday. Now, as you come into the RV show here, you're going to notice that all of the RV units are outside and around. And inside the Giant Center, you're going to have the upper concourse level, where you're going to have lots of vendors. And then make sure you come through, straight through behind the information desk as you come in. And you're going to have another whole floor down here full of vendors. Anything that you want, you're going to be able to find here. So let's go check these guys out.
Hello, can you go? Hello, can you go?
Alright, and when you're here at the Hershey show, you don't have to forego your Chick-fil-A, because they have their truck right here. Got a whole row of food down through here. Anything that your heart desires, from funnel cakes to root beer floats. She's going to be in heaven. Greek, so you don't have to go anywhere to eat. It's right here.
we're unveiling today represents literally the culmination 5 or 6 years, it seems like. Pulls together products we developed to create a new system and actually a new category. I'm very excited about talking about an absolutely new suspension category in the Class A RV ride-hailing experience. And the great part about it is it'll be accessible to everyone, and we'll kind of tune you into that. So with that said, I'd like to welcome Jeremy Buckmeyer, RV Product Manager.
As Brian said, thank you for coming and participating in this. We are super excited to debut one of our newest innovations, further enhance the best-in-class ride handling for all Class A motor coaches. As Brian said, I'm Jeremy Buckmeyer, RV Product Manager. I want to introduce you to the newest FCCC design feature that integrates previous exclusive innovations that we've developed. Ultra Steer. So Ultra Steer we introduced in 2013. It is our tag axle that follows the maximum allowable turning radius of the coach. This was so successful it instantly became standard on our products for tag axle models. We are the only chassis supplier that provides tag axles exclusively with the steerable tag. Reduces tire wear, brings a lot of other benefits to the end consumers. V-Ride we introduced in 2014. So V-Ride is our drive axle that we've made standard. This had revolutionized the ride quality over previous suspensions that were on the market. The design that FCCC came up with the V blades dramatically enhanced the stability of the coach far enough that consumers knew and heard about it in ride drives, and it made purchase decisions. It was the first of its suspensions that offered a 24K rating, which allowed our bodybuilders and our end consumers to have larger carrying capacities. Coach manufacturers could put more amenities in their vehicles without having to go to a tag axle. So very, very crucial in the timing of that launch in 2014. The big thing that it also did was improve roll stability. So historically, coaches pulling out of driveways would sway. This virtually eliminated nearly 70% of that roll. Up to now, V-Ride and Ultra Steer have made a huge impact to our objective of offering the best ride handling coaches on the market. Now we want to take it one more step, which we are thrilled to share with you today, and that is going to be the introduction of VFS. So this is our new front suspension that will be part of our lineup, which is going to create the V Series, which includes all of our suspension products that we've developed in-house and are proprietary to FCCC. So VFS offers a ride quality of independent front suspension. Typically, to get this type of ride quality, you've got to buy a pretty high-end coach that is offering independent front suspension. We've developed this, and then now we can get that ride quality in all price points. VFS, V-Ride, Ultra Steer, all purpose-built for Class A motor coaches, designed and offered on all FCCC products. These are tuned to give us a new level of performance. Some of the benefits of VFS is virtually eliminating bump steer. So as you're driving down the road, you hit a pothole, the steering wheel is not going to jerk out of your hands. So between the design of the VFS and the belt crank geometry, we virtually eliminated the bump steer. Anti-brake dive. So historically, coaches with a typical beam axle front suspension, you hit the brakes fairly hard and you're going to get some nosedive. The design, the parallel design of the VFS eliminates brake dive. Roll stability. Continuing from our design on the V-Ride with the V-blades, we've incorporated what we call V-Link on the VFS. So we're now using mechanical components in our design to reduce roll and help roll stability. So we've improved roll stability by up to 70% using mechanical. And what does that mean? That means we've moved out airbags outboard, and we're now using 100% of the airbag and larger sack shocks to control ride quality. Now we're not only giving you the rear, you're getting the complete package with V-Series, offering the premium handling, stability, performance, and ride. V-Series will change everything for the ultimate Class A experience.
Should enjoy the